Good afternoon. It's been a nice break from the rain that we got from this morning and overnight last night, but you can see the clouds still looking kind of dark at times on our sky cam here in Fargo. Let's take a look at our conditions around the valley right now. We're in the upper 60s to some mid 70s. Fargo's currently at 75 degrees, so we've warmed up pretty quickly. Grand Forks is at 69, it's 73 in Fergus Falls and in Bemidji, and Jamestown's at 66. And you can see that there are some places getting some sun peeking through, others reporting overcast skies. Add in the wind, and it might feel a little chilly out there for you this afternoon if you're not dressed for it. We're looking at some 30s for some, a gust to 31 in Langdon out of the north, a 30-mile-per-hour gust out of the northwest in Jamestown. And as this cold front that is creating the wind passes through, we'll see more places in the valley see these kind of wind speeds too as we head through the rest of the afternoon hours. And here it comes. You can see those clouds dipping southward. In its wake, we will start clearing out, already starting to happen up in Langdon and Devil's Lake, eventually U2. And that's where we'll get to enjoy that sunshine for the rest of the day. It'll take a little longer for the rest of us to have this clear. And along that front, we could see more spotty rain showers or even a thunder shower form. So that would add up on top of some of those areas that have already seen quite a bit of rain over the last 24 hours. Here's some of our rainfall reports. Edgeley has seen the most at a little over 2 inches of rain, and that region did see a lot overnight last night. Oaks, Cola, Maricourt all saw over an inch of rain, 1 to 2 inches there. And in contrast, in the Fargo-Moorhead area, we had rain, but it wasn't that much. It was just under a quarter of an inch reported in the Horace area here this morning. So we may add to that a little bit, but as we take a look at our hour-by-hour planner, you could see that it's not going to be substantial. We're not looking at a heavy downpour unless there's 1 or 2 spots where we see one of those thunderstorms develop. When that happens, you can get some of those localized downpours, but they shouldn't last very long. Continuing on into the afternoon, temperatures upper 60s again to some mid 70s, maybe even warmer than that for some of us who are already kind of near our highs as of right now, and that includes Fargo. And again, once we watch this front drop to the south and east, the wind continues to pick up for the rest of us, and we'll see the skies clear more and more and get some sunshine for the end of our day today. It looks like a pretty fabulous Friday night here. We're looking at some sunny skies until, of course, that sun sets. And then heading into the nighttime hours, expect temperatures to dip a little more. It's going to be a cooler morning to start off your Saturday. So you're heading to the lake, maybe early morning fishing planned. You'll maybe want that extra layer in some spots. We've got temperatures into the 40s to start off the day in some areas tomorrow. 50s elsewhere for your Saturday morning, and notice all that clear sky. Saturday is going to be a fantastic day ahead, and hopefully we get some more spectacular sunrises too. We don't want the wildfire smoke because we don't want wildfires. That's been devastating for places out in the west, and a lot of that has been drifting overhead. We will likely see more of that off and on this weekend, like in this sunset from Park Rapids. Thanks, Nancy, for sharing your photo. Here's a look at that weekend planner. Mostly sunny, beautiful for your Saturday, plenty of sunshine and blue sky. As we head into Sunday, now that's going to be the more complicated day. In the morning, if you have plans, you'll probably be okay. It's not until the afternoon and evening where we have that chance for some rain and thunder as our next front moves through, and that will bring about a change as far as temperatures and just how it feels next week. You may notice a little bit of fall in the air as we're transitioning from August and into September, Monday and into Tuesday, with temperatures that reach the 60s to low 70s for much of the week.
Weather is definitely quite interesting, especially that 65 on Monday. That definitely just threw the whole week off. Thanks again, Lisa.